Hello, and welcome to our unboxing and review of the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer. If you're someone who loves to cook and bake, then this kitchen appliance is a must-have in your home. The kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is a versatile and powerful tool that can help you whip up all kinds of culinary delights in no time. So, without further ado, let's get started. The kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is a compact and powerful kitchen appliance that comes with a 3.2-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, perfect for small to medium-sized batches of dough, batter, or frosting. The mixer is designed with a tilt head that makes it easy to access the bowl and the beater for adding ingredients and scraping the sides of the bowl. The mixer also features 6 adjustable speed settings that can be adjusted according to your preference and the recipe you're making. One of the standout features of the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is its powerful 250-watt motor that makes mixing and kneading effortless. Whether you're making bread dough, cake batter, or whipped cream, the mixer can handle it all with ease. The mixer comes with 3 attachments: a flat beater, a dough hook, and a wire whisk that can be interchanged depending on the task at hand. The attachments are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is also designed with safety in mind. The mixer features a built-in overheating protection system that automatically shuts off the motor in case of overheating, preventing any damage to the appliance. The mixer also comes with non-slip feet that keep it steady and stable on your kitchen countertop, reducing the risk of accidents. And that's our review of the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer. As you can see, this kitchen appliance is a must-have for any home cook or baker. Its compact size, powerful motor, and versatile attachments make it the perfect kitchen companion for all your culinary adventures. So, if you're in the market for a stand mixer, the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.